Hey loves, thanks for stopping by. Today's review is all about this product. So it's the Makari Voile de Corps hand and body lotion. Hopefully I got the pronunciation right here. But I have been using this for almost 9 months now, and you want to make sure you're looking out for the whole entire review I give on this, because it is really a good product. Now, to my new viewers, make sure to subscribe and turn on the post notification. Follow me on all my social media platforms. I have got the link in my description section, and also do shop all your hair from my website at www.sharegorgeous.co.uk. Let's get into today's video. About this product, it is a non-skin lightening product, which is really good. So that means that it can be used by all skin type. Makari has made sure to use an all natural ingredients to make this product, which is really good. And also the product helps to hydrate the skin and make the skin really smooth. Now the good thing is that it is not animal cruelty, so that means they don't test their products on animals, and according to the Makari website, it is certified by doctors. Now Makari is generally a trustworthy brand. In as much as their prices are really high, you can trust that when you use their product, it will work amazingly on your skin. Right, so this product comes in just a bottle, unlike the other Makari products that will come in maybe like an actual box before you take the product itself out, which is in a bottle. This just comes in a bottle, and the inscriptions on it is in a wine color and a gold color as well. So it's wine and gold, and the product itself is white, as you can see. So yes, this is basically how the product comes in once you receive it. Moving on to the benefits of using this product, the first thing is that it helps to hydrate the skin. That means it helps to avoid dryness of the skin, and next it increases the skin suppleness, and also it leaves the skin very smooth and feeling really refreshed and smelling really good, because it has a really good smell. And also the good thing is that it doesn't leave any cast or any greasy whitish residue when you use the product. Hey there, I'm sorry to interrupt. Just a quick reminder to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification button for future uploads. At this point, you can see my excitement. Discoloration's faded, dark under eye faded. I'm happy. There are 3 key ingredients identified in this product, and these are carob extract, borage oil, and aloe vera. With the carob extract, it helps to increase skin resiliency by helping to prevent wrinkles, slowing aging effects. For the borage oil, it heals and moisturizes skin with high concentrations of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. And finally, with the aloe vera, it soothes the skin and serves as an anti-inflammatory property. Right, so now let's discuss how you use this product. And the first thing is to use it on your entire body, including your hands. Also, you can use it as a hand cream throughout the day to refreshen your hands. Also, bear in mind that you shouldn't use this for your face. According to Makari, it's too heavy for the face, so do not apply this product on your face at all. And also, you can use this on the days that you are not skin lightening with Makari, skin lightening products. For most Makari skin lightening products is used just 2 to 3 times a week. So as a fill-in for the days you are not lightening your skin, you can use this particular one and it will just work brilliantly for your skin treatment routine. I do recommend that if you're using this cream because you have a dry skin, you get the Makari body oil or the glycerine. So what you need to do is after a shower, you put on the glycerine first or the oil, and then you go over with the lotion. And also, if you've chosen to use this product to help with your stretch marks, it might not give you the results that you want. So you're best going for their botanical oil, which has a healing ingredients to repair the stretch marks. So you do that first, you put on that first before you go over with the lotion, and I promise you, you get the results that you want. Normally, most of my videos I talk about the downside of products, but in this case, this product is so suitable for everyone that there isn't any sort of remarks about any downsides or disadvantages out there, which is really good. And I think it's because of the non-lightening ingredients that is in there. So just so you guys know, nothing to worry about. I personally didn't have or experience any problems with the cream at all, so no sort of inflammation or acne breakouts or anything related to that. Nothing to worry about. It does what it says. Thanks for watching this review. Remember to subscribe if you've not done that yet. Do take care and stay safe. Bye.